Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can change your sound profiles. You have to go for the menu, then you have to scroll down until you find settings. Right now go for profiles, and for example we can change from general to outdoor. So scroll, click to choose, and as you can see you can turn it on permanently. You can also personalize, so when you enter for the personalize you can change your ringtone volume, vibration, just simply all setting stuff that you can find here. And you can also set it for the time, so for example it will expire after a few hours that you set up. I'm going to turn it on permanently, and as you can see right now it's activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.